मगोचे फुडारी सुदीन ढवळीकर आणि काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकर हांच्यांनी दाखल केल्ली अपात्रता याचिका उच्च न्यायालयान भायर मारली। ताका लागून फुटीर आमदारांक थकाय मेळ्ळी। मात आता उच्च न्यायालयाच्या निकाला आड काँग्रेस पक्ष सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात वतले। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
The Honorable High Court today was pleased to dismiss our petition, thereby upholding the order of the Speaker. We have to still read the order. Only the judgment has been pronounced saying that the petition has been dismissed. We'll have to read. But anyways, this is something which we feel that we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging the judgment of the Honorable High Court. Basically because we feel that this virtually leads to a situation where the existence of the political party in the democratic system is being questioned. So that being the case, I think we will be going to the Supreme Court and challenging this order in the Supreme Court. Basically, the only pronouncement done was there were 8 issues framed by the Honorable High Court. All of them have been answered against the petitioner, and therefore the petitions have been dismissed. Beyond that, we'll have to read the order, what exactly is there in the order. Only thereafter we will be able to comment on that. According to us, it is absolutely clear that for a valid merger under the 10th schedule, 2 twin requirements are there. That firstly, there should be a merger of the political party, and thereafter 2/3 of the members have to agree to that merger. What the other side had agreed, and I think which is the view upheld by the Honorable High Court, is that if 2/3 of the members of the legislature party agree or they decide to merge, they by themselves can initiate a merger process and complete it.
आमचे petition dismiss करून ती is on unexpected lines, and we are going to challenge it at Supreme Court because the very existence of political parties is in the question, and the politics that is taking place all over country today, it will encourage the kind of politics of Narendra Modi government at center. With the use of money, they can change the mandate of the people. So this actually order goes against the existence of political parties and existence of democratic values. So it is setting a bad precedence in the country, where after the elections, few MLAs can come together and take a decision irrespective of what political party which has nominated them as a candidate, with which this candidate got elected with the party's programs, party's manifesto, party's agenda and symbol. Irrespective of that, the few MLAs will join together. They may take money from the party in power and can break away. So this is going to set a bad precedence, not only for the Congress party, but all the political parties across country. And we definitely needs to challenge it at the Supreme Court, because very spirit of the 10th schedule has been destroyed by this order. The purpose of the 10th schedule is to prevent defection. The very spirit of the 10th schedule is to prevent this horse trading. And that is why I think it's a necessary that this order needs to be challenged.